Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. And baby, if you hold me, then all of this will go away. Hi, let's get started with the introduction. Here's the first chord, and you'll simply have the F major composed of the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. And here's how you'll play it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay? And you'll play this chord 4 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 you'll be able to move straight to the verse with the new chord, and you will have a new chord, the A sharp major, composed of the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. And you could keep the same playing method. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4, and. My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beautiful Castillo, I'd leave it all. And just repeat that first section a second time. My acres of land I have achieved. It may be hard for you to stop and believe, but for you, I'd leave it all. Oh, for you, I'd leave it all. And now let's move on to the chorus with that new chord, and notice the addition of the C major composed of the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. And let's continue with that same method. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. You repeat. And baby, if you hold me, then all of this will go away. But you could also play these chords in arpeggios like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. And baby, if you hold me, then all of this will go away. Okay? And of course, you could apply this new playing method to the verse as well. Let me show you that with the second verse. My many artifacts, the list goes on. If you just say the words, I'll up and run out to you. I'd leave it all. No repetition, and you'll go straight to the A sharp major. I'd leave it all. For the second chorus, you will need to take the corresponding chord and play it 4 times in a row. And for the third verse, you will be using the verse chart, but as with the second verse, you won't play the repetition of the first section. Then you can play the third chorus, the fourth verse as the previous ones, and finally end the song with the F major. Wishing you good luck for that song. I will see you in the next one.